Hello, this is Grant Wiley with Draper Inc. here at InfoComm 2023. Great show so far this year. What we are showing in our booth, one of the new structures that we've designed, what we're trying to show here is how the relationship between a concave curve and a convex curve can be blended together with two separate LED panels onto a common structure. So we don't design or manufacture the LED panels, but what we do design and manufacture is the custom structure framework that allows for all this to happen. The structure is designed with precision mounting points and adjustment points that allow for all of the seams in the display to be perfectly aligned with very tight X, Y, and Z axis precision and adjustability. So what that does, that allows us to independently address each column of LED panels. So we got one column, two column. So we can address these columns because in a faceted array, the columns can't be attached to each other. So we have to set the precision for that, and we have to set the adjustment for that. This is a structure that we commonly use with these particular brackets that allow for that precision and alignment. Again, this is Grant Wiley with Draper Inc. You can see more about either this or other interesting items for what we call AV mounts and structures on the draperinc.com website.